Samit, congratulations कि Indori Ishq release हो गया and it's getting rave response from everyone who have seen it. So
thank you so much. Yeah,
congratulations.
I'm getting some
Yes.
very good response from all over. The message box, the email, but everything is just packed right now. WhatsApp, so many people are WhatsApping. It's a good, very good feeling. Yeah, in fact, there are some many different kind of people who are messaging me, like whom I don't even know. Some, very different kind of guys from many different colleges. And Insta pe to there are people who are, everybody is relating to the story. And as I said, because a story like this, at least 90% of the boys must have gone through it. I'm 100% sure. Including
I'm pretty sure.
me. So I could relate to it when I read it. So, and also it's a true story. The entire show, it's based on true events. It is a true story about this writer Kunal Marathe. All of that, what you see in the show, has happened in his real life.
Oh, wow.
That is why, yeah, that is the reason I took up the show, because for me it was like, wow, you went through all of this, and I'm like, that is the reason I said I'll do the show.
Yeah. Right. And also, when something happens to you personally, then you connect to the story in a stronger way. And that probably is why Indori Ishq translated so well on screen.
Absolutely, I agree, because it will always translate if anything is true to it and not fiction. It'll just flow in very nicely, because
Right.
you are actually shooting something which has happened in somebody's life, and
Also,
it will always.
Yeah. Also, you said that you have gone through this. So, who was the
Yeah.
Tara in your life?
Everybody has gone through it. I think so. That's what I said. 90% of the boys, I think so, have gone through it, and so have I. In college. So, no names to be taken.
अच्छा हाँ मतलब नेम से कंट्रोवर्सी ज्यादा हो जाती है तो उससे let's steer clear of it. Also,
just like Kunal Marathe, वो भी तारा ही थी.
उनके तारा के बारे में तो हम जान नहीं पाएंगे, but emotions were pretty strong and that's visible, of course.
Thank you.
Also, while making it, I really want to know, while making it, did you rethink? Did you have any apprehensions, or did you rethink any part of the storyline, or did you redo any part of the shoot?
No. It was very crystal clear in his writing, and that is what I love. And I like to be very prepared on the set.
Right.
So the script was locked, and I was like very happy with it. So there was nothing which I wanted to reshoot. A little impromptu stuff here and there always keeps happening. Like I changed the locations because for me that was very important, because I would like to, every location should be a character also. That's what I feel.
Right.
So I just turned around the locations which were written, just so that it adds more drama to it, adds more emotion to it, adds more color to it, adds more tone to it. So that is what I do with all my films. So I did the same with this. The rest, everything is the same.
Okay. So, I want to know about why it was termed Indori Ishq, like this Indori.
Because this boy is from Indore. Kunal Marathe himself, as a writer, he's from Indore.
He's also from Indore. Okay.
Yeah, that is why Indore is, and it is his story. That is why it's a true story. So it's a perfect title because he's from Indore. He's born in Indore, born and brought up in Indore. His schooling was in Indore. The girl he fell in love with was from Indore. So that is why Indore is. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think so. It's a great title.
Yeah, but what I feel is it should be something like Ishq in general, because this is a feeling. I think this heartbreak and this intensity of heartbreak is something that everyone feels.
Absolutely, you are right. But to be keep the authenticity of the story we want to say, Indore was very important, because the story is from Indore, the boy is from Indore, the family is in Indore, the girl is from Indore. That is the reason we said ki Indori Ishq is, and it's a great title, you know. It has a good rhyme to it. Yeah.
That rhythm is there.
Yeah. It has a very good
हाँ,
rhythm and true. So, you know, I think so it worked.
Okay. Also, can you tell us something that's very interesting, something trivia like? Because I really want to know the process that the director or the cast or crew go through when they shoot for this. So I would really like to know something interesting that might have happened on the sets while you had been shooting it.
Many things happen every day on the set. And I think so everything is very interesting. You learn, you know, every day from somebody or the other on the set. And that is what we've been doing. But it was Mumbai was very interesting to shoot because you know the kind of locations we selected were difficult locations, and you know to get in over there and shoot, which is very difficult. And also at that point of time, you know it was like a unit of 150 people, but you know you needed masks and everything because you know the COVID was still on and people were still very scared. But in all of that, we went through this process without any difficulty, which was a very interesting thing. Mumbai locations were very interesting, difficult locations, especially the locations, Daru Khana where we shot. You know, it was a very interesting location. So basically in the script, it was written as that, you know, and which happened in his real life. He came and stayed in a chawl here. But, you know, we shifted that location to Daru Khana, which is in between so many different ships being broken. So, you know, it absolutely related to the character because, you know, as the ships are breaking, his life is breaking.
His
So,
heart,
you know,
his
yeah,
heart
completely.
is also
Yeah. So
Yes.
that was a very interesting location. Rest, I didn't have any issue because it's easy to shoot if you're prepared.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That is so true. Because when you have the entire concept in mind, it just you have to translate it and it goes on smoothly.
Right, very true. And one of the very interesting thing, which was a very nostalgic, you know, nostalgic was getting Mr. Altaf Raja and to shoot him because you know many people they still love Altaf Raja. So I remember Altaf Raja, the first shot he came on stage. You know, there were so many. There were around 400, 500 junior artists we had, and everybody started clapping and dancing the minute he started singing. And I think so that was the best thing. You know, we didn't have to instruct. I didn't have to instruct anybody कि आप लोग कब तारी मारोगे, आप लोग कब dance करोगे. Whenever the camera comes on you, they were automatically like Altaf Raja started singing because he sang the entire 12 minutes. And I shot him for 12 minutes. That song is really a long song, Tum To There Pardesi. And everybody was dancing for 12 minutes. Yeah, and whenever I shifted the camera to a different angle, still the people were dancing. It was a great thing. I didn't have to instruct anybody what you have to do.
That shot also came out very well. Also,
Yeah,
Altaf Raja and someone we still hear. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है बस तुम तो ठहरे.
हाँ, मैं तो रोज सुनता हूँ आज भी. I love Altaf Raja.
Rainy season, Altaf Raja बस.
I love it. हाँ, बस. और अगर I don't know, मतलब that is what I have always seen, that wherever any party you go to, you know, at the end it all boils down to Bollywood and Altaf Raja. Only then the dance floor
starts with EDM and a lot of Ed Sheeran and everything, but finally to it boils down to Chaiya Chaiya and Altaf Raja.
Yeah. It starts with all of international stuff and people are like, you know what, I've heard this. This is so cool. धीरे धीरे वही जो लड़का है वही बॉलीवुड पे डांस करता है at the end of the day. And Altaf Raja. And the minute Altaf Raja kicks in, everybody they start remembering their life.
ये तो sing along गाना है बिल्कुल. Like सबसे relatable face is probably Altaf Raja.
Altaf Raja, absolutely. So it was a very good. That was the best shooting night, you know.
Right. Also, Samit, you know, your film Ashcharya Chakit also got it released on digital back at a time when digital wasn't this big, and it was seen by one and all. It became more accessible to people.
Right.
जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं बंगाल से हूँ, अगर मैं बंगाल में रहूँ तो ये वर्धमान के कोई थिएटर में आश्चर्यचकित जैसे फिल्म आएगी नहीं. There are
Right.
Bengali films competing to it, big Bollywood, big budget Bollywood films. So अब OTT has become a huge thing. OTT is the thing.
Right.
So how have you been benefited from this OTT transition, and what was your reaction when Ashwarya Chakit released digitally?
I was very happy. In fact, when Ashtarya Chakit released, I remember I was shooting in London for my next film, and the kind of calls I started getting, and people loved it. And also, again, Ashtarya Chakit is also based on true events, which my writer and me we have seen in Mumbai,
Okay.
and I've been seeing so many for so many years. So I think so. It was a great thing to release Ashtarya digitally, and I I have to give it to Saregama, who sold it to Netflix, and they were so very happy with it. And because of Ashtarya Chakit, I got the other 3 films and a show which I'm doing. So I'm very grateful to Ashtarya Chakit that because of that, everything rolled very nicely.
Since you're talking about a show and the 3 films, I would like to ask, can you tell us more about it?
Wish I could. I am so very. I want to talk about it because they're very different films, but I can't. But I'm sure very soon it will be out there. The writing
थोड़ा
is
तो hint
done.
कीजिए.
The
थोड़ा
writing is
hint.
done. Right, the writing is done. It's completed, but we are in talks with many different actors, and hoga. I cannot. Wish I could, but But the next time I will take you on a Zoom call and tell you.
Okay, बस ये done
That's a
है.
promise. That's a promise. That's a promise. Personal.
Okay.
I'll personally call you कि please Zoom पे आ जाओ. चलो, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कुछ.
Okay. Zoom पे नहीं. If situation is better, हम one-on-one करेंगे. तो
Done.
So,
Yes.
also, Samit, I would like to ask you this as well. For Indori Ishq, have you received any negative reviews? Have you
Yes.
gotten any message? जो मतलब
Yeah, I got somebody message me कि आपने ऐसा शो बनाया, आप मतलब ये होता होगा जिंदगी में. एक किसी ने लिखा कि this must be happening, but why did you show it? मतलब आपने वो कैसे बर्बाद हुआ, आपने क्यों दिखाया? इसके वजह से शायद कोई दारू पीना चालू करे. And I'm like, hello, this is what happened with it, So I showed it on screen. So what? So yes, there are. See, the negative and positive will always be there in life,
Right.
And I think so. Only then there is a correct balance. Some will like it, some will love it, some may just ignore it. But whoever has gone through it, for me, the best part is that the people who have gone through it, the typical ashik, the typical lovers who have actually gone through it. But yesterday the guy called me up and said ki yaar, the same thing happened with me. I used to drink. My career went for a toss because 2 years I started drinking because this girl left me, and I was like, okay, fine, thank you so much, but don't do it. I'm against somebody doing it, but if this happened with this boy, what do? I had to show it on stage. But I'm also again, because I believe that first love is not the only love. Second भी हो सकता है, third भी हो सकता है, fourth भी हो सकता है, और अच्छा हो सकता है, and it can go on for years. So I am a very positive man in that way.
So, this also reminds me, this entire plot line also reminded me a portion of Kabir Singh. जैसे
Yes, I agree, because there are people did talk about Kabir Singh Light and Kabir Singh, but see, abhi kya, you cannot challenge that because Kabir Singh came before this, but iski story 2008 और 2010 में हो चुकी.
Okay.
Yeah, and उसके बाद Kunal Marathe published a book called Turkey.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, so but then we cannot change the fact, because Kabir Singh, yes, it's a super hit film, it's a good film,
right.
But Kabir Singh का जो content है और ये है बहुत different.
Of course.
Yeah, the storyline itself is very different. Yeah, it is very different. If you see it very carefully, it is a very different story altogether. Nothing
Of
to
course.
do with Kabir Singh, technically. Yes, but yeah, some people say because
Thoda
Kabir
bahut
Singh
wo
is still,
reaction,
yeah,
how he
because Kabir
reacted
Singh
and
is still
everything.
fresh. Yeah, Kabir Singh is still very fresh in the minds of the people. Because it's a good film. But yeah, having said that, ours is very different.
Okay. Okay, Samit. Also, I would like to know that one actor that you would want to collaborate with soon, or one actor you're looking forward to collaborate with. Is there anyone on your wish list?
Yeah, only one.
Who?
Right behind me, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Also, I love that poster. This poster is so
Oh yeah, man.
good.
Very good poster.
Perfect.
Yeah. Only one man I would like to collaborate with. Only one. Till I live.
Fingers crossed, jaldi ho jaye.
That is why I have a film. So now I'll tell you because you took his name. So I have a film which is called Chota Bachcha.
Okay.
Yeah, which will happen soon.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
hoping, I mean, I'm looking forward to all the projects that you are in. I hope they release soon and I hope we get to talk soon. Also, before we go, everyone is watching and talking about Indori Ishq, but what is Samit Kakkar watching?
What is Samit Kakkar watching?
Yes, on
Family
OTT.
Man 2. Family Man 2.
Family Man.
Yeah, I am on the 5th episode. I am loving it. Manoj Bajpayee is, I'm a fan of him. He is one of the best actors we have in this country.
Absolutely. And I had the privilege of chatting with him a few days back. So when he gave his insight about the character Shrikant Tiwari in season 2, it was another level. The fact that he said he's a broken man this time and the entire equation has changed, the equation dynamic has changed. It was another level.
He's brilliant. He's the best we have. Another man I would love to work with. Another man.
Yes. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. Also, season 5 है मैं बता दे रही हूँ इसके बाद से बस space उठता जाएगा. Like it's going to get faster from here. It's going to take on another level. You're going to love it. 5th season मतलब तो you're just on the cusp.
I know.
बहुत मजा आएगा.
100%. I am waiting for it. बहुत मजा आएगा. I'm really waiting for it.
Okay. So Samit, before we go, this would be the last question. If anybody who hasn't watched Indori Ishq yet, what would you like to tell them?
If you ever loved, go and watch Indori Ishq.
मतलब heartbreak हो ना हो, प्यार हुआ तो जाओ और Indori Ishq देखो.
जाओ देखो, please, because it is a story which will relate to everybody.
Absolutely. Also, Samit, thank you so much for connecting
with us,
for connecting with Desi Martini. It was a pleasure talking to you. It was very good talking to you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.